and good morning. My name is Chu, and today I am pleased to present to you our UBD-GIGI Kit, which is a validated educational kit and assessment tool for oral health education. So this kit is prepared by myself, Syafiqah, as well as Valen, and supervised by Dr. Long, Dr. Joe, Dr. Mary, as well as Dr. Jagjit. So this kit is aimed at the proper maintenance of oral health. However, what is oral health? Oral health is the ability to taste, speak, and convey facial expression without discomfort or pain. So proper oral health is needed to prevent diseases such as dental caries, which is the world's most common dental disease, as well as gingivitis that affects 3 out of 4 of people globally. So as a result, we invented the UBD-GIGI Kit, and as mentioned before, it is an all-in-one oral health education package that teaches about oral health and care. That is not only easy to utilize, but also suitable for teachers, parents, and healthcare professionals such as dental hygienists. So what do we aim to achieve through this dental kit? So firstly, we want to evaluate knowledge and awareness of oral hygiene habits. Secondly is to increase level of knowledge and awareness regarding general oral health. Thirdly is to educate people on oral hygiene practices, beliefs, and recommendation of dental products. And finally, it is to provide a simple educational framework that covers all important aspects of oral health.
This kit contains 3 items. Firstly, a validated worksheet for pre and post assessment of knowledge. Secondly, a G-rated educational video regarding oral health care which is friendly for all ages. And finally, a dentist-reviewed handbook which contains instructions and guides for hands-on learning and fun activities. The prepared worksheet for this kit is available in multiple languages, namely Malay and English. We can use this worksheet to effectively assess the pre and post knowledge gained. This kit also offers a short educational video which teaches about general oral health care and diseases. This allows it to be played during lessons and clinics without taking up too much time. And finally, we have the Handbook, which is a dentist-reviewed guide that widely covers topics on the good or poor oral hygiene practices, the causes and management of common oral diseases, and the activities to aid learning. We can refer to this picture guide for more in-depth educational information and ideas for interesting activities that accompany the theory learning.
For the next part, we will be covering the commercialization potential for this kit, as well as how it can play an impact on the society. To start off, this kit has the potential to contribute towards the improvement of the user's daily oral hygiene routine. Having easy-to-follow instructions, this kit is suitable for users of all ages. Not only that, it can also be used by parents as a teaching material for their children. Parents can refer to this kit as a guidance to teach and improve their child's oral hygiene. This kit may also be beneficial to healthcare professionals. The possibility of reducing the occurrence of dental diseases may reduce the number of visits to the dental clinic. Last but not least, this kit can also be useful to teachers and educators. They could integrate this kit into their learning framework to improve oral health knowledge. Next, we will be covering the usefulness of this kit as well as its recognition so far. This kit will be offering a high-value benefit to the society. It contains accurate information on various aspects of oral health such as oral hygiene practices, oral health beliefs, and dental products used to prevent dental diseases. A survey conducted showed positive improvements in children's level of knowledge and awareness regarding general oral health after using the UBD-GIGI Kit. This can be seen from the chart where improvements were seen across all the questions after the administration of the kit. The yellow bar represents pre-questionnaire results, whereas the blue bar represents post-questionnaire results.